Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. The first method is to change file associations. Click on the Windows button, then select the settings icon, then navigate to the apps from the left pane, and then on the right pane, select default apps. In the following list, just scroll down until you find and select Microsoft Edge. In here, things can be a bit tricky, but make sure to know what file types you want to be open with other browsers and select them, then switch Edge with other browser. As you can see, I already changed mine. I used Chrome for example, but in this way you will make sure that the Edge browser will not interfere anymore and that your default browser will be the one you usually use. And the another great method is to rename the Microsoft Edge installation directory. To do this, you have to open your file explorer, then go to the following directory: C, Windows, System Apps. In here, locate the Microsoft Edge followed by this combination directory. What you have to do is right click this folder to rename it, and here simply add disabled and underline and leave the rest as it was. This will disable Microsoft Edge for good and your favorite browser will take over. And that's pretty much it. That's how to disable Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.